Everyone wants a piece of AI right now. It's being called the new industrial revolution, the great equalizer, the next gold rush. But there's a problem no one's talking about. Most people have no idea what the gold actually is. They see tools like ChatGPT and Mid-Journey. They see people online making money with AI. But what they don't see is the invisible work that actually creates that income. And if you don't understand what businesses are really paying for, you'll chase shiny tools while someone else gets the contract. Let's make one thing clear. Businesses don't care how cool your AI is. They care if it solves a problem faster, cheaper, or better than before. That means they're not hiring AI experts. They're hiring people who know how to save them time, increase efficiency, improve content, customer experience, or decision-making, and automate repetitive tasks. The good news? You don't need to be a developer, engineer, or tech genius. But you do need to understand this shift. The people making money with AI in 2025 are not selling AI itself. They're selling solutions, powered by AI. And the best part? Many of these roles didn't exist a year ago. They're wide open right now for people who know what to do. How to think like an AI earner, not a tool user. Most people ask, what prompt should I use to make money with ChatGPT? That's the wrong question. The real question is, what problem do I understand deeply enough that I can solve it faster using AI, and charge for it? Because that's what clients, startups, and small business owners are actually buying. You're not selling AI output. You're selling research that used to take hours, now done in minutes. Business documents that look professional without hiring a copywriter. Personalized content strategies without a full-time team. Automated workflows that replace hiring an assistant. These aren't AI jobs in the traditional sense. They're human jobs powered by AI. And they're the bridge between tools and outcomes. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down the 5 real-world tasks businesses are already outsourcing to AI-powered workers, what those jobs look like, who pays for them, and how to learn what you actually need. No fluff, no coding, no buzzwords. Because in 2025, the people who win in AI won't be the loudest. They'll be the ones solving quiet problems, with incredible speed and leverage. Let's get practical. You don't need to build a chatbot or train your own model to make money with AI. You just need to know what kind of real work AI can already help with, and how to offer it in a way that businesses understand. Here are 5 paid practical tasks you can start doing today, using AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Notion AI, without writing a single line of code. Task 1. AI-generated SOPs and business docs. The work. Take messy business processes and turn them into polished, standard operating procedures, SOPs, onboarding guides, and internal manuals, using AI as a ghostwriter. Who pays for it? Small business owners, agencies, consultants, even creators with virtual assistants. Why it pays. Most businesses have no documentation, or worse, outdated ones. SOPs are time-consuming to write. You become the person who uses AI to extract, clean up, and format the messy knowledge in someone's head. How to offer it. I'll turn your workflows into clean, organized SOPs you can hand off to your team, powered by AI. Task 2. AI-powered competitor intelligence reports. The work. Use ChatGPT and tools like Perplexity or MarketMuse to gather and summarize competitor websites, pricing models, positioning, and social media activity into a single readable document. Who pays for it? Startup founders, marketing teams, growth consultants. Why it pays. People don't have time to dig through 10 competitors, but they'll gladly pay you to do it accurately and quickly. How to offer it? I create AI-assisted competitor research decks so you can see exactly where you stand and how to beat the competition. Task 3. AI content repurposing and expansion. The work. Take a YouTube video, podcast, blog post, or even a voice note, and use AI to turn it into tweets, newsletter segments, SEO blog posts, or email sequences. Who pays for it? Content creators, coaches, online business owners, personal brands. Why it pays? Content takes time. Most creators only post 10% of what they could. You become their AI-boosted repurposing engine. Part strategist, part copy editor, part content machine. How to offer it? Turn one of your videos into a week's worth of high-converting content, powered by AI, edited by a human. Task 4. AI Business Summarizer. The work. Summarize Zoom meetings, Slack threads, long reports, or internal documents into clean, actionable summaries using AI. Who pays for it? Busy founders, department heads, B2B teams, remote companies. Why it pays? Leaders don't have time to read everything, but they need the key points, organized and shared fast. AI handles the draft. You refine it into gold. How to offer it? I turn your messy internal info into concise reports that your team will actually read, using AI and fast editing. Task 5. AI-powered offer clarity and sales page drafting. The work. Use GPT to help entrepreneurs or product creators turn unclear offers into clean, structured sales pages with value stacks, benefits, and CTAs. Who pays for it? Coaches, course creators, small e-com brands, freelancers. Why it pays? Most people can't explain what they sell clearly. If you can use AI to pull clarity from chaos and organize it into a persuasive landing page, you just saved them thousands. How to offer it? I'll take your fuzzy product idea and turn it into a clear AI-assisted landing page draft that actually converts. None of these require you to be an AI expert. You're not selling the tool. You're selling time saved, clarity created, decisions made easier, and that's worth real money. In the past, the only people who made money from AI were engineers, the ones who built the models. But 2025 has flipped the script. Today there's an entirely new class of earners quietly emerging. They're not coders, they're not founders, they're not influencers. They're what we now call AI-literate workers. People who know how to use AI to solve business problems faster, better, and at scale. Let's break down who they are, how they operate, and how you can join them. What is AI literacy, and why it pays? AI literacy isn't about knowing how the models work. It's about knowing what the tools can do and can't do, how to prompt for specific outcomes, how to spot garbage outputs and clean them up, and most importantly, how to turn that into something a business will pay for. This isn't about chatting with ChatGPT, it's about understanding that your skill is not the output, it's the orchestration. Knowing what to ask, how to ask it, what to do with the results, and how to wrap it into something valuable. The 3 emerging roles of the AI-literate worker. These aren't titles you'll find on a job board yet, but they're already being paid for, quietly, in every industry from e-commerce to consulting. Role 1. The AI content operator, not a writer, not a content strategist, a hybrid role. Someone who can take raw AI output and turn it into clear, structured, usable content that serves a real goal. What they do? Refine AI-generated blog posts. Repurpose transcripts into newsletters, tweets, or scripts. Feed business context into GPT for better personalization. Why it pays? Businesses want speed without sacrificing quality. This role delivers both. Role 2. The AI systems assistant. You're not an engineer, you're a workflow designer. You help teams use GPT, Zapier, Notion, or Google Sheets to automate internal tasks, summarizing meetings, creating recurring reports, generating outreach messages, populating CRM data. Why it pays? You replace hours of manual work with streamlined systems, without needing devs. That's leverage. Role 3. The AI Research Synthesizer. This role is part analyst, part ghostwriter, part strategist. You use AI to summarize industry trends, generate product ideas, compare competitors, analyze customer reviews. Then you turn that into decision-ready material. Pitch decks, executive summaries, blog posts, product roadmaps. Why it pays? Because information isn't valuable, synthesized insight is, and AI makes you 10 times faster at producing it. Why these roles matter right now? They're not crowded yet, they don't require years of training, and most importantly, they're already useful to businesses today. What you need isn't certification. What you need is proof you can deliver. A sample report, a workflow demo, a repurposed content set, a cleaned-up prompt system. Real deliverables, real impact. You don't need to get hired by OpenAI. You don't need to build the next AI startup. You just need to become useful. In a world where AI is everywhere, but practical application is rare. Here's exactly how to do that, step by step. Step 1. Pick a use case you can learn by doing. Don't start with how do I make money with AI. Start with whose problem can I solve with AI? And what does that look like in action? Examples: a real estate agent who needs better listing descriptions, a YouTuber who wants their videos turned into newsletters, a founder who needs competitor research. Pick one lane and go deep, not wide. Step 2. Learn the tool through the lens of the problem. If you're helping a creator repurpose content practice, turning one podcast episode into 10 tweets, 2 threads, and a short-form script. Refine the prompts. Humanize the output. Clean the formatting. Use ChatGPT, Claude, Notion AI, or Perplexity. But always ask, does this actually help the end user? The goal isn't to show off what AI can do, it's to show what you can do faster and better because of AI. Step 3. Build one solid case study. Don't wait for permission or a client. Build a proof of concept. Take a random podcast and repurpose it. Choose a fake business and create an AI-powered SOP. Build a sample competitor research deck using GPT plus public data. Then package it, before and after screenshots, clean PDF or Notion doc, short Loom video walking through what you did. This becomes your resume. More powerful than any certification. Step 4. Position the outcome, not the tool. Bad pitch. I use ChatGPT to help with content. Better pitch. I take your long-form content and turn it into a week of high-converting social posts, using AI to do it in half the time. The tool is invisible. The result is what sells. That's what makes you stand out, especially to overwhelmed business owners who just want to stop drowning in tasks. Step 5. Productize or personalize. Once you've validated a use case, turn it into a repeatable service as freelance, consulting, or package it into a productized offer like Notion template, SOP builder, AI email generator, etc. If you stay stuck offering AI help, you'll compete with the crowd. But if you offer outcomes with speed, you become a category of one. The money isn't in AI tools, it's in being the person who knows what to do with them. You're not trying to be an expert in everything. You're trying to become irreplaceable in one specific thing, powered by AI. In 2025, that's the real unlock. If this gave you a practical path forward, like the video, and drop a comment if you're building something right now with AI. And subscribe if you want more no-fluff breakdowns like this in the AI Income 2025 series. Thanks for watching. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute medical, financial, or legal advice. Always consult with a qualified professional before making changes to your health, finances, or lifestyle. The views expressed are based on publicly available research and emerging technologies at the time of publication, and may change over time.